I'm Dick Strawbridge. I've been challenged to make as tasty a 3-course meal as I possibly can in this camper van. I was told I had 2 gas burners, only one's working, so this is quite interesting. What I'm going to do is I've got the pudding on the go at the minute, which is, smells gorgeous. I've got poached pears and saffron and a sweet wine. I've got a small slow cooker on with a beef stew. I'm going to have some dumplings with that. I'm going to start off with some fusion fish cakes. So 3 meals, it should be really quite tasty. With a bit of luck. Right, this is the salmon I'm putting in my fusion fish cakes. It's lightly smoked, it's organic and it's been well sourced, that's important. And I'm going to add that to all the rest of my flavours. I've got lime zest, I've got coriander, spring onions, olives that have been chopped in with some chilli. All those flavours go together. I'll put some potatoes in here with a little bit of egg, a little bit of flour, and that's how I make my fish cakes. I'm going to have that with some lime, garlic, mayonnaise and some salad. Good for you. So we're going to start off with a little fish cake, and the fish cake's got some organic, lightly smoked salmon in it, but it's got some chilli and some spring onions and some fresh coriander, and basically it's a fish cake but with some different flavours in it, along with some salad because we're trying to make it healthy, and a little bit of lime, garlic, mayonnaise. That's the starting point. Then we're going to go on to the main course, and because we've got one ring working, I bought a little slow cooker along with me. So I've got what is basically a beef and a root stew with lots of red wine in it, but with some dumplings. Okay, with some horseradish mash. So that's quite simple. And then for the pudding is going to be, it's a pear poached in saffron and sweet wine with a syllabub, which is going to be slightly gingery cream, and then some mint ganache underneath it. Okay, one ring. Beats a cheese roll? No, it doesn't. If it's English cheese, it doesn't beat. So if you're game on, eat away. Right? And if you don't like it, say, we'll ignore you. No, that's not true. That's not true. Have a little taste of that. Lime garlic mayonnaise with your fusion fish burger with some fresh salad. Enjoy.
Thank you.
It's a shin of beef stew with root vegetables with rosemary dumplings, all sitting on top of some horseradish mash, and you've got some sweet chestnuts that have been cooked with rosemary. Enjoy. Here we go, good. You have got a saffron poached pear, it's in a sweet wine, sitting on top of a mint dark chocolate ganache, and then there's a ginger syllabub, and the syrup's a saffron syrup. Right.
Thank you.
Enjoy. One burner, they've had 3 courses, they've had their fish cakes, they've had their beef, and they've had their pudding, and who says it's difficult to cook in a motorhome? Nah, just get stuck into it and have a go.